Hey, what you doing here?
I was in the neighborhood and you have a package too.
Oh, is that for me?
Yeah.
You brought it for me?
Uh-huh. I did.
Oh, come on in. I was not expecting you. Thank you, darling. Oh, it's been a minute. You know what? I actually thought it was my sister.
You're expecting her?
Girl, yes.
Ooh, what is that about? Woo. What's that look for?
Girl, I'm so happy to see you. My sister will be here shortly.
Ooh, got a blast? Gotta go?
Girl, so she called me and she was like, I need you to meet my new boo and all of this stuff.
What? I thought you already met him.
Girl, this is somebody new.
That was last week though.
Girl, so I'm very eager because according to her, he's different. Yes, so I want to see how different, because you know she has poor taste in men.
She said that the last time.
Girl, tell me about it.
Oh, what is he like? Do you know?
I have no idea. I've been asking her and she's like, girl, I have to, you have to meet him in person. He is different. And I'm like, how different?
He's going to be the same.
And she's like, you got to see him to believe it. So what brought you over? You usually call before you come.
I know. I was in the neighborhood and I had to go to the post office and I had your thing in the car, so I said, perfect time.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm glad you stopped by.
Thank you for having me.
So what you got planned for the rest of the day?
I actually got work, girl, so I'll have to go.
Today?
Yeah, so I gotta make a couple stops and then go to work.
So how's that coming on?
It's coming. It's coming.
Okay.
So
3 months. That's probably the longest you've been at a job.
Yeah. I know. I know.
Hang in there, girl.
It's hard, but I'm gonna keep going. Hopefully I'm not late today.
Yeah, we don't want you to get late, so let's go.
Walk me out.
Thank you so much for stopping by, though.
Anytime.
Yeah. All right, girl. So I guess I'll see you next week sometime.
Yeah, we were supposed to have like breakfast next week or something,
I know. Yeah, we'll definitely work on that. All right.
Okay, I love you.
All right, love you, girl.
Bye.
Be careful.
Your skin tone.
Oh, thank you, girl. Look how your sister do.
Look at your hair.
Thank you. Just got it done yesterday.
Oh my God.
I like yours. You're just so cute.
I always do the curly thing.
I'm so excited to see you.
How long has it been? It's been too long, girl. Good.
Who's that?
My boyfriend.
You kidding, right?
Yo, soon come deal with me. Bro, God, this look like them knock me up. Yo, hold on, let me call them up. Janelle!
Why you locked him out?
I sure did. I don't know who that is.
Oh, I'm so sorry, babes.
How are you going?
My sister's tripping.
Tripping?
Yes.
I slam down on my face, huh?
I'm sorry, babe.
I fool not take me out, huh?
No, babes.
You know, say a fool is sister take me for door.
Babe, just calm down now.
In a real life, no jokes.
Excuse me. Take that out. We don't do that here. Thank you.
Babe, really?
A fool she take me for door.
Sis, do you want something to drink?
I'm so sorry, okay. Thank
You sure?
Yeah.
Sass is alone there? What do you mean, babe, seriously?
Seriously?
No go on, man. No go on, man.
Who is this? Hello, hello, hello. We don't do that either. This must be a joke.
Sis, I'm so sorry, sis. I'm so sorry.
Girl, where did you find that? Are you for real?
I don't know what came over him. I don't know. Babe, really?
I fool him to check me for yo.
Babe, can we just...
Yo, dog. Where are you? You know, some follow the 1B come over our sister house. You know, some of them on the block. Guess what? I'm calling Ratty. No, man, Ratty can't tell us if to link me. Because Ratty dey on the block. And me dey on the block.
Is this a mad boy?
How much you want? How much you want? By the kilo? 8 kilo hour. I'm gonna make the link there right now. What the address of fire?
What address? Are you crazy? Have you lost your mind?
Let's just calm down.
Outside. Outside to your right.
Alright.
Yeah,
Thank you. Yo, I'm gonna call about.
I don't know what happened.
Girl. Start talking.
Sis, he's really a good guy. Like, you just gotta get to know him.
Get to know him. I've already seen. He hasn't even been here 5 minutes and I can't stand here. What are you talking about?
No, just give him some time.
Sis, this is a prank, huh?
No.
Woo! So, where did you find him?
Sis, just give him a chance. He's a really nice guy.
A nice guy.
Yeah.
Girl, honestly, I just never thought that you could find anyone worse than that last one. By the way, what's going on with him?
He's in jail.
Oh, yeah. And that's exactly where this one is heading.
Sis, really?
Yeah, really. You just got a poor taste for men. So, what does he do for a living?
You know, he's a pharmacist.
Girl, please. What? You mean a drug dealer?
No, sis, I'm actually serious.
Wow, this is too funny.
He's a really good pharmacist.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. And, matter of fact, he does come from a good background of family.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of family background? What do you know about this guy?
He has a brother. He's really nice. I think you would actually like him.
Girl! You know what? You need to quit playing. Like, you need to stop. Because I'm about to pop you, like, for real. His brother, for me.
His brother? Sis, just hear me out.
Sis, I love you, but I think you're losing it. Seriously. I think you've been hanging around this guy too long.
Just hear me out. His brother is a lawyer.
Yeah, just like how he's a pharmacist. Girl, don't kill me. Because you too funny.
Just give them a chance.
What kind of chance, girl? Don't you see what this boy's doing?
Sis.
So, your boyfriend is a pharmacist and his brother is a lawyer.
Yeah.
Wow. Where does he study law?
Where?
In the basement with his brother?
No, sis. He actually goes to school.
What school? The same school that he went to?
I don't know, but I'm pretty sure.
Girl, if I didn't know any better, I'll pop you right now. It's open, you idiot! Didn't you just leave? Girl, why is he out there knocking the door?
I don't even know.
Why did you come back in here anyways?
My plan to leave.
You should leave. Yes. Because I don't know where you find this yam head from.
I left you know.
Yeah, you should leave.
I'm not talking with you.
Bye.
I left.
Sis, retard.
Really?
Yes, sis.
You come?
No, she's not coming.
What do you mean by she not come? She have to come
No, she's not
forward.
leaving
Yo,
with you.
brother, let's
Can y'all
go.
just stop it?
Forward.
Just stop it.
Huh. Girl, you need to get rid of this. Because I don't know, what is this you just brought in my house?
Sis. Really? Can you
Yes,
just give him
really.
a
What
chance?
is that? He has no manners. Look how he dresses. You
have
really
to
think
get
you could
to know
take him
him.
home? You really think mommy and daddy would approve of this? Seriously.
Sis, we can't please you, can we?
It's not about pleasing me, sis. But it's like, what is good for you?
Just give him a chance.
What kind of chance? Don't you get it? You're young, you're beautiful. What are you doing with your life?
Anyways, we can't go anywhere because his brother's picking us up.
Whatever.
Bibbs, just come inside now. It's cold out. Bibbs, it's cold out. Your brother will be here in a minute.
Alright. Where's my brother forward?
Yes.
Alright. I can't believe say, yo, I come here and make your sister disrespect me and you just sit down and, you know what I mean? You know, do nothing about it. I don't like them move there. A style thing.
Just calm
You see
down.
me?
Remember, you're meeting her. You can't do that, Bibbs.
So it's good for she act the way she act and treat me that way then?
Babe,
And it's okay?
said that. I never said that, babe.
So, how's mom?
Mom's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And dad?
Dad's getting better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know they must be fussing at me. I've been so busy, really.
Yeah, they talk about you every day.
I know. I'm gonna try to make some time to come over there though, like seriously.
You need to, because you're
I
all they
know.
talk about.
I know, sis. I know, but is that his brother?
Should be.
I'll answer the door.
Okay. Sis, come on.
Hi.
Hi, I'm here to pick up Jay.
Oh, you're Jay's brother?
Yeah. Did he leave already?
No. 1 second.
Okay.
Jay, that's your brother?
Oh, say no my name now. I lie him on your one.
Girl!
Hey bro, what up?
Girl, you didn't tell me he was that handsome.
I tried to
No, you left that part out, girl.
tell you.
Girl.
You didn't believe me.
Girl,
so
forget that. Let's start over. Forget that. Forget
Start
everything
over?
I said. Hey, I like Jay.
now you like Jay?
No, girl, for real. Like, girl, how you gonna have a? Really? You didn't try to hook a sister up?
You didn't want nothing to do with him a minute ago, so
Girl, can I get his number?
I'm gonna have to ask him.
Girl, you don't need to ask him. You don't need to ask him,
What do
girl.
you mean?
Give me that. Okay. Thank you.
Girl, listen.
Trust me. That's my husband right there.
We don't
Don't worry about that. Thank you, girl.
Maybe don't worry about that. All right, girl. Well, you know I gotta go because they're waiting on me outside.
You leaving already?
Yes. I'll see you
You
later.
sure he don't want to come in?
No.
Oh. Well, You gonna put in a few words for me?
I'll try and see what I could do.
All right, sweetie. So it was nice having you over.
Thank you.
And we will touch base. I love you.
Yes.
Bye, Jay. Let's give him a call and see. Hopefully he answers.
Hello.
Hi, it's Toya, Janelle's sister.
Oh, hi. I've heard a lot about you.
Oh, you have? Good things, I hope.
Let's just say Jay had a whole lot to say.
Like?
Well, he sure didn't feel welcome.
Well, it is what it is, But listen, how would you like for us to go out sometime? You sure do look like husband material.
So you look at me and determine I'm husband material? And you look at Jay and determine he wasn't? Do you always judge people on their looks?
Come on. You must admit, Jay's a bit rough around the edges,
Well, he might be, but he is my brother regardless. Did you take the time to get to know him? We don't choose our families, but we have to support them no matter what. But we definitely choose who we associate ourselves with, and honestly, I definitely would not like to go out with someone who judges people on their appearance.
What? Did he just hang up on me?